Hey guys! Welcome back to Cora's Toy Fantasy! In today's video, we're going to be doing a toy review! Today's toy is a limited edition LOL Deluxe. Let's look inside! Come over here, guys! Look at this! Could this be a clue? Let's put this off to the side. Let's open the first prize. Let's see what's in this one. Whoa! Let's see what this is. It's a cute ruffle top and a cute ruffle little skirt. Look, it's so cute. Let's put this off to the side. Let's open up our second prize. Whoa! What's in this one? There's this cute little dress with the bow on the bottom. Look, there's cute shoes. They're so cute. Let's make sure not to spill any confetti. Let's put this off to the side. Let's open a purple one now. This one's heavy. Whoa! What is this? It's a little kitty milk carton. And then we have this. I wonder what this could be. I think it's a little cute outfit. But I don't know how she's going to put her other leg in there. It's only half an outfit. Isn't that strange? Let's put that off to the side with the others. Let's open up the last green one. Whoa, so much confetti. What is this? Look at this cute outfit. It's a little skirt and a little top. Let's put this off to the side. Let's open up another purple one. There's no prize! Where did it all go? Isn't that strange? Let's open up the last purple one. There's still no prize. I know what the prize is. Now that the first layer is done, let's look at the second layer. What is this? I wonder what it could be. The dolls! How are you going to open this? I know! Ooh. You'll need 2 large cups of water. Let's take the bath bomb and put it in the larger tub. Whoa, oh no. That was difficult. Pour your 2 large cups of water in. That's a lot of bubbles. Add your other cup in. Oops, almost fell. Whoa, isn't that just awesome? Look at all the colors. Do you see anything, guys? Let's flip it over. So difficult. What is this? It's a cute little puppy. Look at its cute little hair. Let's open up the next one. Flip. Whoa! It's a little birthday hat. Let's open up the last one. Let's pull her out. Whoa! She has matching hair just like her doggy. Aren't these just so cute? I want to put their clothes on them and I'll be right back. Cool transition. Whoa, guys. Don't you think they're so cute? I recommend this for anybody who loves LOL just like me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!